Hello from HW Group. Today I would like to present our remote monitoring product for the sensors called NB-IoT 2x1Wire port. 2x1Wire port means that there are two RJ11 connectors for external sensors. Anyway, this product, when you get it for the first time, there is a plastic strip. You can remove this strip to enable the battery which is inside. And yes, there is a battery inside. Basically, one of the best features of this product is this kind of primary cell, so it cannot be charged by electricity. It's primary cell, so it's for backup only. And this device is connected by standard antenna, you can see here, to the NB-IoT network. NB-IoT network is something which can but not have to be provided by your local mobile operator. It's something far similar to LTE or 2G GSM, but it's different network. And you have to have different SIM card for that. In default set, this device is delivered with a 3 years prepaid SIM card for the Vodafone Global, where you can just add the SIM card, and by blinking diode you can recognize if it's connected to the portal or not. So when you first time enable it, disable the strip to power on or plug external power adapter, and then by blinking diode recognize the device is connected. This device is connected to the default portal, HWg-cloud, and from this portal you can remove it to other portals, either paid SensDesk.com or paid portal from your local portal providers or things like that. We are talking about external sensors. These sensors are powered from this internal battery. And what kind of sensors you can have? Many. We have, for example, sensor for the flood, for the water with default 3 meter cable. We have a sensor for the voltage up to 230 volts. We have a sensor for CO2, but CO2 sensor quite using the battery, so the time will be much shorter with this sensor from the battery powered. The temperature humidity sensor in the box for RJ11 connectors, or directly on the cable with a PT100 sensor or PT1000, or flat cable, which is genius for the monitoring temperature in the fridge, because this flat cable can be installed through the walls and you don't have to make a drill to the fridge, which is quite useful. Also quite popular sensor is H-temp, because there are two RJ11 connectors and you can daisy chain one by one to have a more temperature sensors with maximum distance up to certain length. It's a bit shorter with the battery than with the external power. So that's the external sensors you can connect to this device. Anyway, how it can be used in practical life. This device have to be used with the portal. You can use the portal which we as manufacturer of the system provide for free. It's called HWg-cloud, and simply when there is a temperature alarm, for example, on default temperature range, the portal will send you email alert. The portal can send you also email alert if there is this device disconnected for a certain time, but certain time is quite long in this case, because to save the battery, we are sending data once per 10 hours. We are sampling the data every 15 minutes, but to save the energy by communication, we are sending them once per 10 hours. Anyway, it can be defined by the portal configuration. So these portals can be used your own. So you can have installed your own portal as installed system, as on-premise and your own infrastructure, or you can use many portals from our portal providers, several in each country. The portal can send you email alert. Yes, portal can send you also SMS alert if there is a temperature or issue, or if the sensor is disconnected or something like that. It can also ring you to your standard mobile phone. It can also send you PDF report with graphs. The graphs are quite useful, by the way, because we can have a one value graph, which is default, or you can have something we call multigraph. Multigraph provides more values in one graph. And many other features, including the SNMP. SNMP? Really? Yes, because the portal has open API, and this open API can be used based on your user account on the portal. So all the sensors connected to this device can be connected through the portal, and on certain OID, you can find exactly this one value through SNMP related to your user account on the portal. So that's all from today from HW Group. NB-1Wire is a useful device for your remote monitoring and sensing. And have a good day.